Struggling to insert circle picture in Word document? Then follow these steps. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and then select the picture from your computer, and then click on Insert. Now double click on the picture. You will see here under the picture format option, height and width. You have to untick this option of the locked aspect ratio and then resize the picture to square. For example, let's say 5 by 5. Now once you have a square picture, you can click on the crop option and then go to crop to shape and select the option oval. If you want to add a border around this picture, you can right click on the picture, go to the format picture option. You will see this window. Go to the first option of fill and line. Under the line, select the option solid line and you can select the color of the border. And this is the thickness of the border if you want to increase or decrease like this. Once done, close this window. And that's how to insert circle picture in Word document for your resume. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.